Hi friends, welcome to Creation Technologies. Please do like and subscribe to our channel so that you will get latest notifications. And today in this video we will talk about a particular error which we usually face in our day-to-day programming life in our TypeScript. And basically the error is error ts2322 type number is not assignable to type string in TypeScript. And also in this video I will demonstrate with a simple example that how to replicate or reproduce this error and how to handle such type of errors in TypeScript. So now I am here in the Visual Studio Code to explain you about how to replicate or reproduce this error and how to handle such type of errors in TypeScript. So let me take a variable num1 and here I will just assign a value like 12. And as I used var keyword, so whatever the value will be assigned in the right hand side, and based on that the data type will be automatically it will allocate. So as I assigned a 12 value which is a string, so and due to that reason whenever I will hover the mouse in the num1 variable, then it is showing a string data type. But let's say if I'll assign a 8 or 9 or any type of number variable, then automatically the data type will be showed as the number in place of string. And also let me just print the value of num. So till now everything looks good, but let me just assign a number type of variable in my num1 variable. So num1 equal to, let's say, 9. So whenever just I assigned a number in my num1 variable which is of type string, then it will just throw this compilation error that the type 9 means it's a number is not assignable to type string, because whenever we just assign this 12 value in our num1 variable, then automatically its data type set to string. So in later onwards we can't change its value, and due to that reason it is showing this error. And let me also here just print the same num1. So here we just got the error, we are able to just reproduce this particular error. And just to avoid such type of error, we should not assign more than once any type of value in a particular variable. But here in my case, first I assigned a string type of value in my num1 variable, and later on I am just assigning a different type of value which is a number in my num1 variable. But let's say if I'll just assign any type of string variable in my num1 variable, then it won't show any type of error. And also let me just here compile my TypeScript file. And in the terminal window also we got the same error. So to handle this error, we should not assign any other type of value like number or any boolean or any type of value in our variable. But let's say if I'll just assign any type of string value, then let's say 15, then it will show no compilation error. So that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you.